Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious cabbage omelet. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, about 1 cup of finely shredded cabbage, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Don't forget salt, pepper, and any other seasonings you enjoy. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare the cabbage. Finely shred about 1 cup of cabbage. A mandolin can make this quick and easy. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add the shredded cabbage and sauté it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes tender. This step ensures your cabbage is perfectly cooked in the omelet. Now let's craft the omelet. In a bowl, whisk 2 large eggs with a pinch of salt, pepper, and any other seasonings you like. Pour this egg mixture directly over the softened cabbage in your hot pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the edges to set and the center to become almost firm. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious cabbage omelet. Carefully fold the omelet in half and gently slide it onto a plate. You can garnish it with fresh herbs like chopped cilantro or green onions for extra flavor and presentation. Enjoy your warm, savory omelet as a quick and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.